Welcome. This is Samuel Logan. I want to thank you for taking the time out to come back to view the remainder of the video. We're going to be talking about how to set up an event here on your fan page. And so the first thing you want to do is be at your fan page. As you can see here, I'm at my fan page, creating lifestyle travel. And you should be at your fan page so we could actually do this together. As I'm talking, you could be executing. So you go to the event, click on event, milestone, and basically what you're doing is you're adding an event inside your fan page, so you can basically you're hosting the event. So click on that event. Boom, there it is. Now this is the creating format that you're going to be using to add your photo, create your event name. The location is global, and the time is the next date that we're going to have be live will be on the 28th. That's after the corporate cruise. It's going to be some phenomenal stuff there. But so add you a picture, right? A stunning picture. I'm adding that one because I like pictures of the universe. And of course, you're gonna add some type of exotic place, beach, whatever the case may be. Then you want to event name. That's pretty much everyone's. We all have the same event name, so you're gonna get all that. If you were invited by me, I'll go ahead and send you my an event, so you can go ahead and copy and paste all my content and the title, or the person who invited you. Make sure that they get you their event as well, so you can copy and paste all their information in these fields. But for now, what you probably want to do, if you don't have that information already, is go ahead and just fill something in for right now. Like, let's just call this time travel. The location global. Don't choose anything else, but just type in global. The next event time will be on the 28th of this month. The time of the broadcast is 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Right? So we're going to go New York City time zone. And it's very key to go ahead and put an end time, because if you don't have an end time, I think what happens is Facebook will shut it. They won't shut it down, but you won't be getting a whole lot of activity on it. But the whole purpose of this event is to help gain exposure to people, by showing them a live event. Now, this is for someone, if you have in the States who have not seen the information live because of work, or just don't have time, then they can jump on this live webinar anywhere, as long as they have a smart device, anything like that. They can tap it to the internet. They can be on in live with your very unique ID or link that you're going to have inside your event, that you can copy and paste all the information and give it to them, and they'll be live at 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time every Wednesday with we on Wednesdays here at Paycation Online Pros. Now, you want to have an end time. An end time meaning for your event that you create, you want to have an end time. And I typically go out about 3 months, right? So 3 months, and just go ahead and put 8 o'clock there. So that'll be all right. So then you press create, or hit the button create. And of course, the content, again, you don't have to worry about a ticket URL. Don't have to worry about that. Let's see. And then this is where the content is going to go. This is where your content and special webinar link will go, which will drive your prospect, which will link your prospect to your website. Right? Which will lead your prospect to your website. But this content is only for an example. You're going to get the content from the person who invited you out, or if it's me, then I'm going to send you the information. All right, the category, what I would choose is something like learning, workshop, or meetup. All right, I would leave that open for the post for people to post events on the wall and just keep it active and live. And then what you do is you press create. After you do that, press create. The system is actually processing it, and boom, you're up and running. And the next thing I would suggest you do is invite as many people as you possibly can. Actually, invite everybody. And then after you've invited, after you've invited everyone, then go ahead and share it right here. Let's see. Actually, what you could do, if you're on a PC, you can just literally go here at the URL and copy this content like I just did. And if you are not on a PC, then what you could do is find, there should be at these three little bars. Actually, what you could do is you could also press share event, and basically this is a lot faster. If you can click on share event, and this will come up and it'll ask you where you want to share it, and you could literally target a group in a group, and then you can type up the group Paycation Online Pros. You click here and then shoot it off to Paycation and then share event, and then everyone there will be able to see it and give you kudos on your work well done. Let's see, so we exit out of there, and basically that is pretty much it as far as the event. But here's what I wanted to share with you was how it works. Let me show you my live event. Let me get to it. Just bear with me. Walk through. We'll get there together. Need to go there. Okay, here we go. Okay, we are here. Boom. This is my live event. And why is it moving so slow right now? Okay, here we go. So I'm going to show you once you get the content, which is right here. Alright, so once you get the content in your event, which is going to be stunning just like this, you're going to copy and paste all the content that the person sends you. Well, of course, in my case, let's just click there. So when you click, or when your prospect clicks on that special event link, it's going to take them to the Jet Lifestyle Pros webinar area. And right now, this particular one is recorded. Actually, it was the past one, the last one that we done. It was recorded, so they're always up for on-demand replay. But once the presentation is finished, your prospect will be able to register now, right? And in my case, it's me down here is where they would be, whom they would be registering with. Now, in your case, it'll be you and your name. And so also during the finalization of the call, the closeout of the call, they're going to be talking about a limited time offer, and the limited time offer is here, which will take your prospect to there's your free sign up custom travel portal where they can go ahead and get signed up. This is another way to where you can track to see if a person came to your event that night, or you'll see them on your roster in your back office. Okay, I want to thank you for taking the time out to view this tutorial on how to create an event from your fan page. And thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I'll see you on the beaches of the world.